My name's Amy from AXX Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2017 Land Rover Discovery Sport. This vehicle has done 68,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we approach the boot, we can see that it's electric. On the steering wheel, we can see features such as voice control and cruise control. We also have automatic wipers and automatic headlights. We have a keyless ignition. As we move onto the touchscreen, we can see features such as climate control, navigation, eco data, and cameras. We have heated seats on either side and the option to drive in eco mode and choose from a variation of different terrains. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it's complete with full leather seats. And it is a 7-seater. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening times are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5, and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.